divine people will be attracted towards you. If you are less divine people will be attracted towards you. If you have lack of confidence, less confident people will get attracted towards you. If you are not very successful, the failure people will be coming to you. If you are cheating, a lot of people, those who want to cheat you, they get attracted towards you. Many people come and say, why people cheat me? I don't say anything. I say, like, energy, attract. So if you want to change the circumstances, if you want to make yourself successful, then make yourself positive. Make yourself confident. Make yourself believe in one thing, that is Aham Brahmasmi. Clear? Now, first mantra I give you, it is very important to have a mantra and recite a mantra. Many people, they come to me, oh, I am from a different faith, I have a different mantra, you will give me different mantra. I said, every thought which comes in your mind is a mantra. So please promise me that every thought which you are thinking is according to your faith. It's not. Bolo, सच्ची बात है कि नहीं? You think so much atram batram. Is it your faith? Or is there any faith in the world which is atram batram? But whatever we think, we become that. And actually, the most biggest faith in the world is atram batram. Because everybody is thinking atram batram. And whatever you think, that's what you become. Why the elders, they created a faith, a system, so that you connect to that positivity. So one mantra, because a human being, 24 hours, you are thinking something. You're thinking something. They have calculated that every minute how many 1,000 thoughts you are thinking. I don't know the statistics, but there are pretty good. So many are there. And I want you to just sit and relax. And not today, because today the Shiva Yoga has started. Day before yesterday, what were the thoughts coming in your mind? I don't want you to tell me. I don't want you to speak publicly. Keep it close, but think what you were thinking. Was it in accordance to your faith or was it atram batram? Please be very honest. How many times we have killed many people? How many times we have kicked many people? How many times we have abused many people? How many times we have run away with the belongings of other people? This all is called Atram Batram. Now the scientists are worried that there is a big climatic change in the world. Now when it has to rain, it does not rain. And when it is not supposed to rain, it rains. When it has to rain in moderation, it rains so much that it creates floods. Everything, let me tell you, everything is created by self. Don't say Shivanand. Self means don't blame it on me. Self means you. And we all, what we are thinking, it influences my consciousness. What I am thinking all the time, it influences my consciousness. And everybody's consciousness, it merges, and that creates a collective consciousness. One is individual consciousness, and one is collective consciousness. And this collective consciousness, this manage and control the universe. Because the whole universe is the consciousness. The whole universe is made up of consciousness, which the Shiva Yogis, they say Chitti. They call it Chitti, consciousness. And from that collective consciousness, what the individual consciousness is creating, the collective consciousness send it back to him. If the consciousness says, I am very sick, the collective consciousness is going to send sickness. If the individual consciousness says, nobody loves me, and it merges with the collective consciousness, then that collective consciousness influences the people around that person and influence them that they must not love him. Are you getting what I'm saying? If the individual consciousness says that I am not successful, I am not doing good business, or consciously you are saying, I want to do good business, because your consciousness is governed by your subconscious mind, not by the conscious. Conscious is the beginning, but the subconscious is influencing. And the subconsciously you are saying, Hi Ram, hoga ki nahi hoga. You are sending it to the collective consciousness, and that collective consciousness sends you the incident where you cannot do good business. You cannot be successful. Your individual consciousness say, I have very bad relationship. It goes to the collective consciousness. And the collective consciousness sends the vibrations where the people, those who are loving to everyone else, but are unkind to you, not very kind to you. That is why in Shiva Yoga, the principally, we agree on one thing, that I own 100% responsibility of whatever is happening to me. Whereas if you ask others, they will say, he is responsible for my misery. My parents are responsible for my misery. My brothers, sisters are responsible for my miseries. My friends are responsible for my miseries. Or some people, they go, other caste and community is responsible for my miseries. But remember, you are the creator of your own destiny. Even you are responsible for the climatic change. Because this individual consciousness, once it merges with the collective consciousness, which is controlling the universe, what is programmed in the collective consciousness, the universe is very peaceful. I say, now the time has come, the cycle, it must rain. But the collective consciousness says, atram, batram, atram, batram. So universe is confused. Either he does so much rain that it floods, or he's confused and instead of rain, the hailstorm. And the collective consciousness, atram batram, the clouds get scared and run away somewhere else. And there is no rain. You understand? Wars, what is happening? People say, who is responsible? I am responsible. Because every individual, like this whole hall is made up of brick, and every brick is responsible for the hall. Similarly, whatever is happening in the world, I am responsible because I am one of the brick of that collective consciousness. And if we can create just 1% of Shiva Yogis in the world, we'll be able to calm down the atram batram in collective consciousness. And we'll be able to create the positivity, the happiness, the achievement, the success through that collective consciousness. Is it clear? So who is responsible for whatever is happening to me? Tell me. Everybody tell me. You are responsible. So who can change the circumstances? No Jyotshi, no Bhagwan, no Guru Ji Kripa. एक भजन भी है, गुरु जी कृपा करो. गुरु जी सिर्फ रास्ता दिखाएगा, गुरु जी सिर्फ शक्ति देगा, अपनी तपस्या का एक अंश देगा. वो कृपा को डाउनलोड करेगा. लेकिन उसने वो प्रोग्राम डाउनलोड किया और तुमने बत्ती बंद कर दी, कंप्यूटर बंद कर दिया, तो गुरु जी अब बत्ती खोलो, कंप्यूटर ऑन करो. वो तो ये नहीं करेगा. That if he does, that will amount to karmic interference. That would amount to karmic interference. तो मैं जो डाउनलोड करूंगा, आप उसको वायरस को क्लियर करोगे, मेहनत करोगे मेरे साथ कि नहीं? बोलो यस और नो. यस. क्योंकि if you want to become a graduate, you will have to study. Yes or no? If you are elders, you must have seen your children. They study. And if you want to become graduate in the school of your life, then again you will have to study. And our study is inner study.